Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hiyo lana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
The Kalahari item. The young Matopo.
You what? Oh, Jini, I'm too.
The smaller item. Hey.
Oh, imna yego kiklisa kangaka. Ingoma le ehlatshelwa ngolokuze nini ehlatshelwa ngoBryce lo ansebenzisi muthi mina first time ngathi nsiza ingoma lena ngazibuza ukuthi vele yabuka uSpanisa akala muntu
babe vele bekususpect ekhaya
I was about to say ukuthi abanye akungeke beze beyihlabela ingoma le
ngisusa ingoma ngithi anzake ngirephe mina mina ngiyayicela ipusi
lingabongenza njalo
hayi ngeke ngibangazi ukuthi umuntu wakho kusisa ingoma athi unless ince studio amajida yamaQs uthi usebenzisa umuthi ingoma abani dok
udlala Thuzi
uThuzi usebenzisa umuthi inhleli itshela ngoba akona there is no way bro you can just come out the gate uthi angisebenzisa umuthi mina nigga nobody asked you why vele uSpanisa umuthi
Zazikhala
Uyibambe Matos reporting live from Uyibambe so
ibambe njalo
udinga isandla ben
ibambe
ebamba ngasufukhulu
ibambe Tshaya ibamba mazofuna kuyiSpanisa Mawa Hispanisa iyeka
Mawa Hispanisa iyeka
kanti isebenzi lile
try
speak esigulayo in the background phela uziza ukuthi uzwakala nice
wena zojayela amadindindi hello testing ithi papa ifake imicrophone endlebeni
I think vele yiyo le impression yabantu abangazazi izinto zokulokuze bazitshela ukuthi yabe kule speaker yiko ngiyana kwabogogo la anti abantu hallo yenza into ze IT uthani wenza into ze entertainment umnika ifone elungisa iWhatsApp what the fuck
eremtela ngibamfuza teknikazathi ngumuntu mina vele ochayize technology anti ndabuloko unblock amafunda amatsha la econnect yabona la
yakwazi nje ungahamba lapha kulo Bengula Street kulamajida lana lokho namabox lana behlezi ama computer install ama WhatsApp ngoma lokana ku crazy lokho kule market ukuthi umuntu kumele uyobhatala umuntu ku wena
ugcine nini ku update WhatsApp yakho
Right now.
Kulabantu bemakhaya nje ukuthi WhatsApp yabisi ingasavumi uyabuya etown ezodinga uchomo laba ebabhatala ngo $3
I never.
anje ngitshela
2026
kulabantu abalokho be-installisa ama-WhatsApp kuloko installisa ama-WhatsApp lokwenzani uku-installisa ingoma athe kwenzani
ufaka ingoma kulodwa
umuntu
vele ukusendelana anything nje
umuntu abesithi thina yakhuluma Douglas de Lochoma wasimisa lapha awufaka ama-chance liswi anya installisa izingoma lapha ngabe le dollar yazikhangela zathi
la movie kaBoyka ama movie kaBoyka to me
And then kufakela amabhithi elimpompo fanami.
Hey, let's talk about that.
Hi guys.
Oh, ndoda umdala ndoda ungivusa ngawo lawana. Umfana uyazi le. Uyayitshayinile kuma radio wakho.
Ulamanga tho.
Mana ndoda. Yakwazi mina ufake isample lapha. Ufake isample engoma esikhuluma ngazo. Bro, I promise you, if you guys actually play this to like your parents or elderly people, they'll relate.
They will relate.
It's something that's angazi ukwenzakalani, but what they actually do is ama-sounds like on TikTok. Then sebefaka uphori. Labo waffles.
Man, uthini?
And then when they actually, our rents think that that's
It's
what's
an
happening
actual song.
currently. Bro, it's a serious matter.
It's a serious matter. Uma bami ngimzwile ekuseni.
Jota.
And the uplayers aba ngu6 zilandelana.
Jota mina umdala vele uzuvayela.
And bengikwazi ukuthi idatha kalayo. Wi-Fi was not working. So it's definitely something he saved.
Umdala abangathi one. Umdala vele Starlink econnect ku Bluetooth speaker. Unguze dlule passage ndaphana. Ishaya. Ithi mfana miyazi le uyambona lokuthi uhambani umaphorisa. Yamazi. Kana lo vele umaphorisa kwini lishona yini lo. Yazi ithi mdala mana.
Lapho you are cringing hard.
And umdala kanije ukhuluma so.
Bro, like akabreak.
Anisha does a good imitation of
Why ungayitshayile emaredweni wena lena mfana? Mayambula that day sithi okungama podcast wena ukabelo mina thothi ngumuntu osensitive. Mangikhuluma naye. Umuntu olekhanda. Ukabelo 20 minutes likhuluma into akula la topic liyaxoxa kuphela ayikana ngikhiphi ikhuluma icisha nje.
Wena kade omzisa umdala podcast.
Hayi umdala nge-YouTube ungamenzani umdala?
Is it?
Ungamenzani ebefuna inews ani? Kuleleyani ngugamba wakho la. That guy, parents, that's the other pandemic. I'm a parents. Tala.
Ngiyama update.
Ngiyama update. So, abantu mdala search. I'm sure BYO TV. Oh, okay.
Ehlelo ngikabelo lo.
Ulungu Matewaza lo. Mana ke ngibona umuntu.
Amajita akwazi ukuthi usisikani nje watelotsholo. Was it 2025? 2024 or 2025?
3.
It's gotta be 24.
Aye. 2024.
Yeah, it was 2024.
2 years back, bro.
I think it was 2024.
Oh, no, it was actually 2024.
Yeah, 2024.
Yeah, it wasn't 20, it was 2024.
Usisi ka Nigel watelotsholo ngo-2024. Ubaba ka Nigel wathi mina idombo nyalaze emfuna lengime.
Ulo muntu oyi-1.
Akathi idombo likababa kanishe kamubani.
What they can only be one man.
Wanyela.
Swear down, bro. Swear down.
Usisi ngathi ngifona, K-Prince didn't believe it.
Yeah.
Ngampasela umdala ifoni. Kwathi unamfana ungaphi? Buya lapha khona into esifuna ukuyenza lapha fast.
Buya Matewaza kufuna umuntu okhulumayo lokho.
Umuntu okhulumayo lokho ngeke ukukwanisa.
Real talk, bro. Real talk, I'm sure we have the picture somewhere. Usisi ka Nigel watelotsholo idombo kwakuyini.
I picture khona.
Ngayidla le mali anje akwazi ukuthi ngasokuqedile lafana.
Selidishela.
Wahlala
Ayavuma.
Wahlala a few days. Wahlala a few days umdala bembuza ukuthi kathi Kabelo ungadlula laba vele ubuyizo mbone endlini ngathi abakwazi ukuthi
Kona le something.
plainile ndile. Abazi connected kuyicash wakhe. That was really crazy for me, bro.
Yeah,
that was one of those life experiences where I realized maybe umuntu semdala, bro.
Uyazibuza ukuthi umdala.
How someone drew. That was one of the greatest experiences of my life.
And the worst thing is that I actually hadn't suggested. He's the one who came up with the idea.
Really?
Yeah, what you can do? No, but you Kabelo. Huh? What? Yeah. Oh, matu angfonele lapha. Wesmayelana mayikhuluma, iyabikhuluma ikuyenzisa. Ayifoni ngoje isikhathi. Angfonele mina ngiyafona lapha ngithi kari please zwana. Uzwakala lapha kule something. Manje letha lapha ifoni.
Sangathe isudwe yama ikoklini. Kodwa awudishati uya.
So wena wawusithini?
Ima ngikhuluma, bro. Not only that, this is even the crazier part. Abantu ababezolobola ngabantu abavela ngathi
Bavela so they're from America, but I think it's Jamaica.
One of those island vibes.
Yes,
yeah.
Jamaica.
So babekhuluma isikhiwa. maybe mina ngangena
So they're
ngesikhiwa.
coming to pay the dowry, man.
Mina maybe ngangena maybe mina ngangena ngesikhiwa lapha ukuthi umdala wathi umuntu engimaziyo ngani uyachelela ngesikhiwa unayijela isikhiwa samehlula
What do they tell you DJ lo
Hello.
lo mfana lo.
ndoda even from the gate bro because obviously ngomele explain isivula mlomo. Do you understand? So even when they got to the gate they were told ukuthi kuyangena kwathiwa mina ngiphume phandle ngathutshela ngathi how you guys doing? So we got a little something here called the open the mouth at the gate.
So you gotta open the mouth so that when you're spitting from the pipes, you don't spit some.
Eyongena obosivula mlomo. Ikhona enye ehlezi lathi futhi engangithi idombo la izithulele.
Ithule zwi.
Mina maybe dokumele ngu-ede kuma-qualifications akho. Ama-hire nyahaywa for ku-MC aku-podcaster ku-rapper nokuba lidombo.
But as much as it is fun, like I think when Akatezi are the best person to explain to us, okay, what is Idombo and what are the things Idombo do? Doing.
I'm sure Mike off or because she's the first person.
Pick up
He.
MJ the grammar Nazi mfana. That's the grammar Nazi.
And it's more most of the time you have to sit to correct to pinned.
Grammarly.
Times 2 man.
Isdombo, isdombo asiko that hard. Well, maybe, but because most of the time you're gonna have a dollar.
You win it, Dombo.
Dombo win is kill. So
it's a rock.
Basically, that's basically, bro. Over the Dombo, bro. Over the Dombo, basically, you're just like an interpreter of some sort. Because about Dala Bengafunu Kulmela Ngani, a Sintuini, Auko respectful to Dales Kulmel to Funa. So I mean, I literally Babu says that.
I tell him I think Baby is servant.
Ngumuntu lana okhuluma izindaba zifisayo ukuthi like bona bengafaka emotions ngiko ecembe kumele eceleni.
One. Two, ungakhohlwa abantu laba after this sebesiba yizihlobo. And akufuna ngani utha so kuyakumele be lo muntu ngani a bit on the or tutor occasionally ukuthi lwana nguyozaba nguyokhuluma idoti or whatever.
So a mediator.
So yabo. So mina ngakulabo bamdala lapha ngingambabuza bentshela ukuthi hayi batshela ukuthi what. But labana futhi ukuthi abantu esasidila labo futhi they were there for whatever because when I wasn't in their it's not their tradition but they were doing it because they understand ukuthi tradition itomo. But it was really nice, bro. It was
you really
nice.
did a good job, eh?
Muchos gracias.
And like everyone understood.
Yeah.
The translation was dope. Everything really was.
Yes, so we have different kind of cows. We have a cow that's for
only way kodwa singamvalidate ngayo umendo wakho uqinile na ike singambamba khona
it's close so far so
kathona wakho uqinanga
so far so good
wena uhlezi khona uhlezi wakho uqinanga
isamathu
ngayidombela le
ibone anazikwazi
ngayidombele ngusamandlo
hle kuqeda ubuso siphendula
wakho uqinanga
usharp that's all we can say usharp.
Oh good.
Yes.
Oh good.
Yes.
K Breezy aka Dombolicious Delicious.
No more hunger.
No more twine.
No more.
No more time.
Yeah, ngoludombolano lapha nothini phela lapha namabona ukuthi lapha sesibadala kakhulu ngoba ngezwa sokuthiwa wena phela ngubaba. Ngubaba.
What the fuck?
Hey, I don't even expect your father to be talking. Anti uzazokhuluma ngoba mdala. Wabakhe na ngeke akhulume lutho na ngosukhuluma. So even lapha masokumele kucharge ngocharge. Abe ngicheck imember lana. Member lebe sisonke last week epower sibuhlaba. I can't do this to you, bro.
Please don't.
You know? Yeah. But I've been in such situations 2 times because Uswongile lie. But with Uswongile it was worse because we had spent like the whole week with Double Mr. H, yes. And before that we've been bruised vele. So it was a bit awkward for me because I'm reading in this Baliwe. Not even the Mtala, bro.
Oh, the Mtala.
So in this Baliwe lapana, yabo zibona ukuthi lapha kubhalwe into lezibhalwe lapha ngamasimba le imembe yampela, you know? But yeah, no, when you're in such situations, yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do, man.
I remember kwamele zwisise for example mnathi Ntombela urecord lezana zazi ku other side lesiya. Zathi straight vele zathi ufamdala uyazazi into lezi uyazazi.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Sibuchanga ngathi
Yeah.
you know what it is.
Yeah.
Balithi flow mdala. Wesof mina ngile arthritis into zokunabe ku flow lesiya. So something udomborize fast because once useliqedile abana lavumelana sokuthiwa seli part of the family.
So kumele ufake ku EPK mfana uthi idombe le arthritis. Manje bebekwazi ukuthi lizokuguqa lokunaba. Wona lidombe lihlala ufo esofeni.
Then afterwards labana sokuthiwa asile ngahlala esofeni seli part of the family.
Yes, elizwi.
All right, that being said, then, anjo vele esintwini amalobolo kuthiwa kulotsholwa abantwana, right? So is kulezinye izinto yini ezibizwa kumalobolo are these days necessary yini or ezingasekho necessary? So my question really ngizama ukuthi like amalobolo are these days, are they as authentic as what someone is getting?
Ukuthi answer yami yakhanya ngani
Mina nguzwanga kahle chang.
Hanya yazi into echo ukuthi
Mana ngubeke simple nje. Amalobolo these days nje konke okubizwayo kumalobolo kusharp yini kumbe kulokunye sokumele sichane lapho?
Kulokunye soku-ediwe yini from before or it's still the same?
Esintwini sa up north I've realized ukuthi kulokunye kuthiwa yimakandiwane rekupi.
Yabo.
Wambonela ngani?
Yiko ngitsho ukuthi lokho sokusiya ngeculture.
Yeah.
Because nxa ngabantu besintwini yazi into esenzakala lokho yanokwenza kungani kuba it's just a culture
shock. But
shock.
ngabantu besintwini khangela these days is common ukuthi like kule lokhuzeni cross lobolary across lokhuzeni
Vele
ama tribes. So skhangelele from khona up ukuthi like should we keep it 100% traditional or we should at least
aliyathola middle ground bro.
Yeah, no, it's all about finding middle ground.
Ngoba kula lokho yanokwa grocery.
middle ground on izinto ziphi exactly? Because ngathesi kulezinye izinto ezibizwa ezokuthi
khona oqeda ukukhuluma ngakho lokho for mina makuthi sensiyalobola then sebentshela khona remember mina ngaze ngikuzwa ngikwazi kwini. So that's where we're actually now supposed to meet in the middle. Ukuthi ngithi you know, look, we were not quite prepared because remember also uCherry wouldn't really know exactly, especially makunguCherry wakathe so makuthi definitely vele uCherry mayengowakho ukuthi vele liyafana. So ezinye izinto sengabazazi but ezinye ngabizazi mase ufika lapha nakusiba yi-surprise.
Apha ngikutshele bro, prima lobolo kukhona onyele ukukhuluma uyambuza ukuthi
yeah no for sure
kukhona abazakubuza yini abazakucela
but any problem yazi kuyina abo auntie labo malume labo bamkhulu sometimes they might discuss but okunye ifamily kamdala kuCherry yabefuna izinto ifamily kamasala bangazaziyo. You understand? You are surprise esikhuluma ngawo nalawo. An example would be you know le cross culture lokho ukuthi if for instance your woman father side is for argument's sake Ndebele, mother side is Shona, uzathola ukuthi labo kwaphana as ama parents the ama sides on lana abengakhulumanga detail bebodwa konke abakufunayo. Then mase kufika lapha uMax Weger sefika senjani sesithi uMax Weger mase fika uMax Weger lapha nesesithi awufa and then mina sengikhanyela ubani sengikhanyela uCherry wami ibhedu ukuthi kanti but awuntshela yabo. So kulezinye izinto ezokuthi ezinye izinto uyathola sokuyi surprise. But to answer your question, I think to resolve that ukuthi ngiyabe ngizenze ngibezazi izinto zakhona okuthiwa sezi unnecessary because from my past experiences and the whatever things that have happened in corner, there hasn't been anything you kobe mbuzo khona yini okunye. But to avoid
I've seen it like kuma colors from ngapha koBulawayo. They've designed their own way. You would okay, listen, from the guy's side, can you raise something like 3,000 US? Let's just raise it 3,000 US. We meet, siyazana. After kwazana, we take that money siyihlanganise and give it to the happy couple beqala impilo.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
so
that's interesting.
It's something modern that they invented Gates.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Amakharaji la ukuthi angazi kule kharaji la unqenza khuluma enye into zozo.
Wena uhlubekile awusokha. Ngiqamba ngibizo wena wayilesazela.
Amakharaji phela la yenye yi-race entsha labana phela i-culture yabo very modern. Yeah, it's true, bro. It's true. Colored people are not really. Yeah, not really, because I remember even when I was at varsity in
Oh,
Namibia.
50, no,
But also now culture day. Now we culture day. I'm a karate in that culture. And that's not like something I'm saying. It's just like a fact. I'm a karate. I'm a pechu. I listen. Awala. Abantu bama 1920s. But if culture I'm a karate. I'm a golf.
Ngama?
Ma? I'm a V-dub. I'm a V-dub.
Nama Tatsani. Rana Dust is on.
Karate okunga
Which was this one I was given by my uncle, bro. It's got sentimental value. Imote yabubona ukuthi siphephukile. They don't let go of those guys.
The culture I'm a karate.
Ukulungisa izinto bukanika. Yeah.
Bukanika. Bema.
Yeah, you pay my cousin.
I love it tattoo. Le motel sound.
The problem with my karate kuleli one ile kandela. Laba lithina laba uDakudu kanti. Ngoba zonke into elizikhuluma yaleza. I remember yami guys iyaphatheka in all of those things.
uDakudu lana ngumkhetha nje ngemistake.
Yes.
So
that one is black.
Udakudu is black, bro.
Like guys, I think uDakudu ungcono when he's speaking isindebele sakhe. Uyeza ukuthi kule dash okungani ufuna ukukhuluma isikhiwa phakathi. There's a guy called Corey from Tongrove, Oldaleli Platinum FC. That guy, nxa ekhuluma isindebele sakhe. Yabe ngasifakanga. Okay, to make things worse, li-colored eli closer to white. He's got blonde hair.
Elilikhiwa.
Yeah, vele likhiwa vele. Nxa ekhuluma ethi check, yazi kuyizinja lokho yana kuyimgodwela. Mana check. Like I remember, like ngangimchecks ngise HNS, esithi ungathi angiphansi, mina damphezulu mana ngehla. Ngathi ngithutsha from a distance and wathi wena nja wena ngingapha. Like people bachibilika bakhala
Wathi ngari khamba njani?
Ukhuluma ngwaqala
omunye
konkamisa.
unkazana couldn't hold himself. Wena. What alpha? So manje kuyaphuza ukukika ukuthi oh kanje I look like this and I sound like this. But awuzajayela.
Kuvala boDakudu labana sengamakarati nje ukuthi ngegenetics or whatever but awuDakudu abantu besintu laba.
Yeah.
Speaking on genetics, ngiyabonga ukuthi uhlawayibeka khona pha. Like there's this researcher from the USA who was saying ukuthi in the next maybe 200 or 300 years there is a high chance yokuthi population of white people be diminished because the genes of dark colored people are locuzile are painter every other
are stronger.
Say
the right
yes.
word.
Yeah, are stronger.
We're genetically,
so what happens?
we're
Like
genetically superior. That's the word you're looking for, brother. We're genetically superior.
if a black person has a child with a white person, the child will be black. If a black person has a child with a black person, the child is still black.
Serious?
If he colored lingaba lomntwana le colored over time abantwana labana babelokhe besiba mnyama.
Yeah, because of the original race, bro.
Yeah, and now the problem is the white race is not expanding near rate aba okumele ba expanding.
Their birth to death ratio has been in the minus maybe since 2013.
Exactly. Time.
Vele in 100 years kuyasokubuso AKA lapha emhlabeni la. Just on amakarati.
As I'm saying, even worse, man.
We must put in also a bit of Chinese or Asian. Have you seen those Blackanese kids?
Yeah, I've seen them. Imagine them Blackanese ngona ubaba ngone nguwe, bro.
Na vele China ngadithola ngiliniki chance. Ngamthola uching.
Beba wazani.
Beba kwasani. Azi dog.
Okungk chan.
Ongke breeze. Yazi izolo ngicabanga into ngasikhuluma into zokulobola lesi. Into esidliso le kade ngicabanga ngithi yazi bro, kade wayesingaza ke senze experiment esidliso. Like ukuthi genuinely we take uprice so.
Aye.
Mana. Uprice le girlfriend yakhe ayithanda. Sivumelana ukuthi sifuna ubona isidliso is it really a thing. Umtshela right baby, this weekend dlisa. Confirm ukuthi by next week ngiyabe sengipenga. Or kube lama outside observer anjengathi.
Noma ungangidlisa sekuyafana.
Ngoba istory zonke zesidliso ngani zisubjective ngana kuloko zeni. Sikwenze sibili as a project, as a podcast. I want a time chance. Mina uCherry ehambe edinga isidliso fair.
But mina I've got a story I think esingaprove ukuthi isidliso sikhona maybe ngokuyi 25%.
Mana ngutshela istory vele ziningi.
Because lesi sasibona live lesi.
Mana ngutshela istory zikhona ziningi, but the problem ukuthi if the subject is unaware, does it only work if the subject is unaware?
No, this yazi isubject iba aware ukuthi yayidlisiwe sokutheni. Sebemkhiphile isidliso lesiya.
Manje asikwenzeni before.
Kwakutsho UK Breeze.
Mina ngithi asikwenzeni before. Sivumelane la. Sithi
because that thing it works like kungani kuya blinder so to futhi like umuntu wangikhona nxa bengamdlisa engathola ipartner yakhe iwona lapha yabe ngani kabonanga yena in their mind yabona ngengxenye uphuphile or something. Then nxa sebemkhiphile isidliso lesiyana sokuflada in. Yazi uthiwa umuntu wangikhona ekhitshwa isidliso umuntu omdlisile kuthiwa kumele bemhambise kachana. Because i-instinct absisense yambulala. Sambona umunye bemkhutha ngehloka.
Asikwenzeni phela lathi and then we can ascertain ukuthi limbona uBryce bese actor njani. Like uBryce bese hlanya lapha and then bese sihamba sesikhiphisa.
So mina le plan asenzeni song. Prison wena mana sikuchunizani and then iphephi lakho libe sele flop. Sibona ubonile yini.
Kathi mina bente mina bente uBryce why sekuyini?
When you explain better than me.
Uyabe usichazela lapho uBryce uzama ukutshela nje ukuthi yena uwezokuchaza leza kakwanisi but how about ule point siboneni mina ngeke ngimind lingafakile etshwaleni
asikwenzeni phela asivumelane nini into asikwenze na
alaba lidlala ngengozi
ingozi ngani man manje siya practice
azozinto zokutesta ngazo
kathi research yenziwa njani
so ufuna ku research ngobani to because we need to find out.
Vele hlukana vele
Chani lakho.
Yeah, hlukana lakho vele. Because kunzima.
Lo ngathi uyesaba sameni ngayo.
Omebhuchuniwe.
Umuntu ukhuluma zini?
How about lingadla lonke? Lonke lidla isidlo.
Yeah, maybe kube
group
start.
Sonke as a podcast mina noCherry wami.
Lonke as a couple.
Yeah, because let me say
not
lapha ngoBreeze sokuqala lonke la msensini.
Sonkeni phela.
Khulumele micini.
Phela ngiyazibuza ukuthi
nokuthi sonkeni.
Because
what safer that way phela.
Lonke mina
sengizibuza ukuthi lonke liginye silver bullet, yabo?
Siyasebenza that way isidliso.
Bonyele lonke.
Statistically yakhona ama-couple lona wanankalwana nona wanankalwana.
Wishi nyakanyaka.
Ingcibo labana abangehlukaniyo labana ukuthi inxelwana wanankalwana ngesidliso.
Into leni yenza umuntu abe ngumkhovu guys.
Asizame nanje siyaskipha.
So sizama ngawa.
Sinjani?
Sifuna ukuyenza wena. Wena wayala thina sifuna ukuyenza ngawe.
Alright, asibuzeni inxa ukhona umuntu obukela iPodcast willing uba igini pick. Ompex bale vibe.
Sikhethe wena. Wena futhi ngobuyele suggestion. Usabani sama suburbs.
Mana kabe sokusema suburbs for real.
Asizameni guys. Angazi lathi sike sibe lenyi inxa sasa.
Alright mana ngicela ukubuza ukuthi mina mase sekudlisile Brian. Sikhipha njani ishandisi yakho?
Ukumgabisa.
Yala kudala injayile imbiza.
Singadala bakubiza Bri.
Ndoda.
Uyaka.
Bale mnyaka bembiza Bri ndoto mla.
Khona lizwe leli. Isiputi. Mane respect jonke ziphelile mana.
Yilezi labo dobo labo nje umgcini bombuzo kathi Bri awufa.
Bri.
Asikwenzeni guys. I feel like
mina ntiyaskipha njani? Masukuthi sokuyiswi.
Kodwa asikhitshwa kanti uthi abantu bahlanziswa something.
Iyahlanziswa. Wabona umuntu okhitshwa utshalo okuthiwa ufakele igwili etshaleni. Yeah.
Incela lathi siyeqasa uba yipodcast engani
But umuntu wangikhona kumele aqale make sure ukuthi ungani uhelp imbijana because into elana ngendlela ohlanza ngayo yana. Yeah, vele
wena bakukhipha nini?
Sasabona. Hayi mina ngingadlisa.
Press waqaka.
Ngiyamuzwa.
Ngangajani.
Mina yisuggest inyama nje. Company yonke le social corporate responsibility. This is our social corporate responsibility. Si investigate into ezinjalo. Incela seqasa nominate komanama ukwenza into ezinje. Sithola umuntu oyi1 evumela iCherry yakhe ibe yiCherry vele uthiwa into zezidliswa kazenzi. Lapho we're just doing a little research nyana. sikutholele uprice ngani yamazi uchomo serious ngoba lesi ekade sidescribe
no price vele experience
lesi ngani isidliso premium lesi kodwa sikhunywa ngo
lesi ngaboni lesi
ngesingela ama-ads
ngoba kahle kahle emjolweni ama-ads kufavor lesi asilama-ads simtholele umuntu sithi kha nxa ekona willing ngasitshele uthulane ngavuma yi-MJ khuluma nothulane vele let's practice it hey baba
price
yini awusafundayo ode online
hayi indaba le yedliso
i-MJ awukhulume nothulane vele ingceyafu
no akwadliswa lo wadlala la ngiyadlala
noma bengangidlisa sekuyafana hambani lelanda umuthi
adisiphinde kathini anyway asikenze i-intro la
uthulane wenzeni
khuluma la phela isipractice lisidliso
uthulane uphi
amazi uthuthi
okay cool
ukhulume la
anyway asike-introduce utheni
ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
gentlemen,
welcome to the greatest show on the planet. Chai intro.
Tibidi. Abatsapote phela abantu ngale kanti kuhamba njani ke?
So live show le.
Usebona nje perform.
Kanti izipika singavi machini. Izipika zemuva zithushile
Surprise akula speak.
umuntu ebeziza ukuthi uthini.
Intro mfundlamvu ichanga umzeke 2005. The Kaiser Sose of Kwaito Music. We are the Izinyo. You must be afraid of Izinyo. Spethu Seshman. Spethu Manandi Ntwana Young. No Gilly Machaiva, no 51 cent. Lengi abantu abadala le.
Right. So still on our topic, Liana. On Saturday, in a little suburb of Malparain in Harare, a young man named, it's actually online. A young man named Tinashe arrived with a team of elders, Banyai, to pay lobola for his girlfriend Rubimbo. However, the negotiations took an unexpected turn when the in-laws rejected his hard-earned $4,600 US offer. They insisted the amount was insufficient for their daughter, a crop science graduate, and demanded at least $8,000 US. The negotiations collapsed, leaving Tinashe's hopes in ruins. However, the heartbreak was short-lived. By Sunday evening, rumors began circulating that Tinashe had wasted no time moving on. He reportedly proposed to another woman named Nyasha only a day after the failed negotiations.
Master Gambler.
Yeah, low.
Plan B.
Low le blueprint.
Yeah.
Alo chero yengamthandi.
Low blind. Maybe ayefosiwe. Abazali phela bakuforce phela.
Yikho laphana bembuzwa ukuthi like ezinye izinto zisanecessary yini, like are we really looking to earn from umntanethu or sifisa ukuthi ayeqalisa umchado omuhle?
Yabo indaba lezi ukuthi ama negotiation afail anhla ngizozi istory lesi.
Ndoda kwenzakala phela uthi ufika lapha nilisi bekunike bethi umele uthengile ubabazali isuthu kanti ubabazali bengayicheche olalonga wayengela suthu yakhe uright.
Ngiyakubonga.
Wayi umdala kanti.
Wena bani yakayida idombo lakho wawunke ibreeze.
Mina my question on indaba yesuthu kudala kungakabi lamasudu babecelana.
Khonoko kwakumele kuyenzakala.
Lawe uvume fast kakhulu. Ngicela ibheju.
No, mina I understand someone explained to me ukuthi kudala kwakubhadala isivulamlomo ukangaziwe then after that umuntu olotsheliwe yena lo engazala sokuqediswa ke amalobolo because the concept was kulotshola abantwana.
Not only that, bro, yabona lo okade befuna 8,000 buyele 4 point something.
Yeah.
If it's I feel like if it's a genuine thing, but ichair na leyo layo then uzabuya uqedisa.
Exactly, that's where I was going.
Vale imali yakho.
No, babengafuni.
Babengafuni. That's the thing. Because mina that's what I know, good like nxa ubuyile kuzolobola uyachiya yona le olayo then nxa kuthi livumelene ukuthi okay i8000 isiyayivuma but isile 4000 and vele abadala they always say ukuthi amalobolo awaqedwa because amalobola aqedwa it was a sign of what? Disrespect.
That's true.
Uthi hayi nxa lifuna umntwana wenu uzangizalela abantwana abayi3 senhle ngiyibhadala yonke. Because that was the concept ukuthi nxa ezala you pay something, ezala you pay something. Then
basitshela njalo bathi wena Matiwa wazangana isikweleti uyazesaba wena. Wathi akulenye izakucharge yona lapho uvumela uhlala ulesikweleti. And that also helps in the dynamic ukuthi ungadelela bethi phela ngavele yasikweleta wena.
But liyabona manje we're now going back to that thing yathi sithe wena lecture yakho lizakhuluma. Nxa kuyukuthi babe kwazi ukuthi uyabuya bengakufuni, why not tell the daughter to just save you from the whole trouble of coming if they don't want initially. And vele that's where I'm going. At the end of the day, kuyabe sokusiya ngama cultures, ngabe sokusiya ngama beliefs, ngabe sokusiya ukuthi wena bakuthatha njani ezumkhwenyana or vice versa.
Vele ngawusiya lobola nje kuchera kuza kusheti bazacela mali.
Uyabusukwa. Even actually list I think also sokusiya ngama cultures, but list kabusulayo kudala. You already have the list. Madoda.
Kati chana ma things.
Uthi umlo liyamba umuntu wenzani?
Umbonile.
Ulambile prize?
No, but I could eat. Wena benganjikijela ngokudla bafuna ngenze.
Lina kodwa sethi badala lezi
ubusakhuluma.
So
ezamolobolo. Siyazazi ukusikhuluma ngaso.
Hayi.
Ara namfana ulobola.
Liyabuzana phela.
Ulobola ngayini wena?
Lalungekho lo baludinga nasemoteni.
Wait. Man. What do you mean?
Angansayelusa phela.
Alufayanga lo.
Lwalungekho total.
Inkomo kamamazala le.
Manje ndoda wena. So vela uzange uthola i-taste lane ukungena and then uhlale phansi and then
kwava mina lo malume.
Mina lafuna ndithi ngihamba lo wena. Ngihamba lo Cyril.
Lafana othatha.
Mfana mana ngihamba lo wonke. Sathi sivaveza athi angina zahlala ecouchini. Hayi sasingakwazi bro. Into mina that's what I'm saying ukuthi Jay at the end of the day uyabe ungakwazi like ezinye izinto usunga research but wena masofika ku point line uthi somele kwenzakala. Mawufika lapha na vele uyafika absent minded ngoba le stress ucabanga ngokunye. Ufika uzilahlele manje mina kwakuwesi ngozange zilahlele esituleni sikamdala wakhe.
Wait, you guys, so can I take you guys back a bit? You were saying when they charge extra things, it means they don't want you guys there.
No.
Not really.
No.
What does it mean?
We wouldn't know why they charge extra things, but...
Wait, can I ask, when I want to say alobola, your girl didn't give you like an idea.
I already knew what I was... I already knew.
You already knew,
yes.
Right? So if as a guy, befike bekucharge into akadunga expect, that means uchera wakho kazange wakutshela.
So that's what I was saying. Okay. Communication leyana. Sometimes isuke wena ucheri wabe emtshele khonkana abe kwazi. But because ama parents wakachera ama families wona gcine se edele okunye ucheri abe ngakwazi wena susuvusana lo cheri wakho. After ukuthi kanti para untshelanga. You understand? Toluti already maybe my families lawo vele njani because there's situations. Yeah, for sure there's situations ukuthi maybe umuntu ucheri wakho maybe yena la babe ngakambhadaleli lobola.
Okay.
Ezumntwana. You understand?
Yeah.
Kuyenzeka khona ukuthi ucheri wakho yena
abakamloboli.
Yes,
by her father.
Via damages, yes.
Okay.
So already those families are not actually on point in terms of communication.
Okay.
Now when you get there, bona sebekhuluma ngokunye which also your girl didn't know.
That doesn't even involve you.
That has nothing to do with you, but because of everything that's going on.
I was asking because no, the reason why I was asking, like I'm speaking from experience. Ngathi ngilotsholwa, there were disagreements in the family because kulabo auntie labana bayebefuna ukuthi maybe wagcina ukushopa properly ngo-2010
uzopopa
abese sizuthi uJane uyalotsholwa mana njani ngifake so ilist yayiveli kade ibhaliwe then yabibuya ingani
isi-edithiwe yes
umdala wathi hayi lithengisa umntwana next thing umntwana bayese bem-abuse eyehluleka ukuthi uzaphenduka kanjani ngoba so uhambe you know and also the girl has a say in ukuthi lingachaji kakhulu guy because
for sure definitely
stuff like that
because some build something
exactly so starting on zero would kind of like
Yeah. We're
hard.
already now. We
Yiko
can't
kade
start
kukhulunywa
on
ngoprice
minus.
ukuthi amakharatho nasele yabe igame
Yeah.
yokuthi
But that
So
game
look, I know-
actually sounds quite.
isimbatho.
Yeah, no. For sure. So kufika lapha nabe ukuthi 8k wena kadu. Of course yabo le average yakho.
Uthola ibhebi le mali.
Okay.
Basically.
Because what I like ngiyama karate lana, it
Yeah,
also
wena
shows.
amakarate uyathanda.
Uthola karate.
I mean, Buddhas.
Karate.
I like them blacker than black.
Ooh.
Yes.
Amakarate.
Ubusile, what you like about it?
Mini karate lami ngincesela ngaba i-crossbreed le shona le ndebele.
Karate vele i-crossbreed.
Price mne angazi utsho mna I think sometimes yakhuluma bese.
Hey, crossbreed tribal phela, not racially. Yeah, but what I like ngiyama karate is it sets a standard. I know Tina umntanethu vele uphila a lavish lifestyle. Anjo. Tina ukuze umntanethu ahambe siyakwanisa ukumkhiphela 15,000. Nqala imfuna lani khiphani 15,000 kumele beyiqalisa nge-30,000.
Ale vele blind.
Because le it makes sense la uyabona ukuthi
Yeah.
umuntu lo are they in my league or not?
And uyabona
And
futhi ukuthi
if
laba
ukumlobola kwangikhona kuzaba ibhedeni kuwe, it means ukuthi vele awumkwanisi. But nxa uzamkwanisa vele ukuthi I know I can raise 15,000 within isikhathi esingaka ngithatha
that's
umuntu
actually
lo.
what they should do. Ukuthi
Exactly.
bebone ukuthi uyakwanisa yini.
Yes.
Manje majenzo.
Because labani advantage ukuthi imali yangikhona bayithatha bahamba.
Abantu abechacha njalo ndodo kodwa umuntu wakhona yabumbonti ngibo i-type leyana ukuthi ungabuye ebusuku utshontshe ibhakede lokugeza. Batshona iviki yonke ngelamuntu ogezileyo kuthethwa ni banoqinele ibhakede.
Bepangukile bonke.
Umdala epangukile ongasagezwe endlini. Ananjalo bese uzokucharge ama 30k. Unyama la ibhakede lokusplasha sokuyiwo endlini. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, kati ngikhuluma indaba lana kaChomlano Old Mutual.
Sese old Michel bese move away.
Mana waye vele iphakethi level yi-1 ndoda. Yiko labo bona bona.
Iyo nje bakhona abantu kunjalo ngithi ibhakede lokugeza lingadala.
Hayi ngeke.
Sokuthile for 4 days until ingceke kuzokuthengwa ipenda yokupenda.
Ibhakede zelikhona ligezisa lidinga ipinaza.
Kala kuthiki pinas.
Yes, I'm failing even to laugh. Ngisazama ukuprocess ukuthi lifestyle enjani wena.
Wena.
Abanayi.
Abantu abanjalo ndodi kodwa
Le
la
sporting zingcono.
yodwa kumele bekwazi ukuthi utshelwa ngibo kanjani, but anyway these are old people topics. Uzowenzeni uchomo we Old Mutual wana una system.
Ngicabanga ukuthi sizagcina ngayo because kule yenye that is related to this one, but it's more like the Western culture. So yeah. All right. So Malone Wayans, Angela Maz. Yes. Malone Wayans' baby mama is reportedly saying she's struggling to take care of their 1-year-old daughter despite receiving $18,000 per month in child support. She's now allegedly taking repeated legal action seeking even more financial support. For most people, $18K every single month sounds life-changing. That's over $200,000 a year. But in celebrity circles, lifestyle expectations and standards, it can look very different.
I go to America. America, it's a different fucking. Dude, child maintenance, he hustle on his own.
Yeah.
Much down 3 committee say. So like 6 lapana, 10 lapana, 12 lapa. Maybe issue, you know, the biggest problem with especially in Shea custody, is that they say lifestyle umntwana I experience akumdala umililingana la experience akubani kumasal.
Yeah.
So yena yikho awubona umfazi ka Dr. Dre wayefuna malini? Wayefuna 700,000 in entertainment a month. Kwazi bathi kathi ubhuku Drake. So
entertainment.
Idiaper ngele Google phonde.
So that sounds a little good. 18K per lapha ungahambe echa selake lazilandela indaba ze-maintenance la eBulawayo.
Yeah. Mina ngalandelela enye, but it wasn't my intention because yabona ukuthi konke yahamba ecourt ulande enye case then kuqala i-maintenance then
Price.
Hawu ndoda.
yeah ngangihambile ecourt angisabophisa umuntu ayentshontshela icontroller lami. Yeah.
Kwaliza abo DJ.
Yeah. Andoda umuntu waqeza emontweni chat controller, but anyway, like there's a guy laphana ababemhambise for ilokhuzeni i-maintenance laphana. Umfazi efuna ilokhuzeni i-child support laphana. So I think wayeyenge ngama-gents wathi zwana Jake wena laphana ungafika ufika uthi awula mali vele uyale vele. Ujudge uzathi hayi wena ungabhadali lutho. So judge laphana sembuza ukuthi okay umntwana lo ngowakho uyavuma okay u-birth certificate ngubaba umntwana right udla malini ngenyanga on your personal groceries kuyini okudla ekseni ngiyadla isinkwe esilamaqanda lani okay intambama udlani sometimes ngiyadla inyama udlani ngiyatshintshanisa between inkukhu le beef okay all right. So umntwana wena ufuna ukumthengelani for i-breakfast le supper at least umama uzabona ngelunch but vele mina ngilamali mina.
So uchile suqamba abapaloni.
Ecourt kabe ngani i-comedy show bra. Vele mina ngilamali mina. Hayi awula mali kodwa niyakwanisa ukuphila. Ngiyazama phela lami umntwana uzamzamelani. Vele mina ngilamali but okay zwana umntwana sesimnika khona umnika khona. I-breakfast yakho siyicalculate yaba imali engaka. So umntwana uzabumnika equivalent to that a day multiplied by 30 days. Lalokho umntwana uzafuna i-healthcare lani bamnika. Kodwa ngikhulumile ukuthi angilamali but uzabona iplan.
Yamele ubona iplan.
But ngale yathola maybe 250 to 500. 250, 500, 600. Mali maybe le mali maybe singakucharge more. But maintenance vele bajala udlala ku 300, 400. That's like a decent amount for ukuthi kuthiwe ingane la yaphi. Wabona nje kumele bekubhese ukuthi wena usebenzani. Unasebenzi.
Asiqhatshwanga phela.
Yeah. Speaking of that, yikho ujudge wayembuza ukuthi ekseni udlani. Because lokhana kuyadetermine ukuthi okay from ukuhasla kwakho ungasebenzi what can you get for yourself? Because if you can get something for yourself you can definitely get something for the child.
Wena njengawe wena ungatsha i-maintenance ungafa.
Vele the key uhlafuna ama-receipt onke. Vele ungabile evidence.
The keys to eat the evidence.
Bro.
Nana wena i-evidence.
I'm going to put in 99 don't remember the cannibal and ACT. No Caleb the cannibal. Hey watch you that. ACT wena bayibopele kubudla abantu abangu-6. They don't even know some of the bodies I ate. The keys to eat the evidence. Le yabulala umntwana ngamapoloni namayogati.
Azange ubone like manje i-problem like when these ladies go back and say i-maintenance le abayibhadala i-child support incane. In most cases they end up getting less because I saw on a real omunye bembuza like recorded court cases ukuthi okay uthi ayikukwani imali le wathi imali le vele ayiso yakho imali le ngiyomntwana ufunda endaweni enje i-transport yakhe ingana wathi okay you're actually getting triple the amount you're supposed to get because umntwana for entertainment nxa izuza lokho for school zuza lokho already the guy outside maintenance is also paying for ilokhuzeni health insurance this and that he also does extra is paying way more than he is supposed to pay nge-appeal yakhe wabe khathela imali by 3.
Damn. Agcina ngikuhle abantwana ama-chance. That's all we can say.
Yeah, no, yeah. Bottom point.
But that being said, then, do you think women should also pay child support when the father lives with the children?
Fale mimi liyane kuthiwa uthi ngithume 2000 yengane. Wena thumela ingane
senda wena 2K sibonda fa bona ukuthi khuluma amasimba 2K.
I think lokuya ngomthetho bro from place to place. To be honest, I think we are ngomthetho from place to place. I don't know. I
know when you got to think what do you think as one?
Avele nxa uzogcina umntwana phela amakhosi anje sesidlaweni.
but wena ubudoda bakho bayakuvumela
avela
ukuthi ufonele
kuvumi
lokho.
hayi akuvumi hayi
imali.
akwenzi
Ayibuyi imali yami.
hayi akwenzi
Mangigcina ingane.
hayi it doesn't
Ayizi
do
imali
that.
yami.
hayi it doesn't do
Ngoba kube ngothi ugcina ingane kube ngiyathumeza imali.
uyabuthetha umntwana alright isituation yakho yabe njani
Yabi
asithi
bucayi.
le indoda le
hayi
ya.
kodwa akwenzi
Kanti does it not worth the other? Oh, ungaphuma 40, uma 40 kofunakala khona uma 40 yakukhothela iconstitution mfana. No.
Le mina ngikwazi yazi.
See, I don't know if the law works like that or maybe lapho they encourage ukuthi umntwana vele ebe nomamakhe.
Yeah, I think also kaso situation yani ukuthi ngibani ongakwanisa ukugcina umntwana.
ekhulisa
Emkhulisi,
Anyway, lapha
yes.
siyagetsela sonke.
Because of yes wazi amamimi lana vele nxa uyukuthi wena bakutshela umntwana for the weekend.
Selo tape emdulini. Usho Call of Duty Black Ops.
You understand? So
Ngajinji opinion yami.
Selo tape umntwana
Ayi
ebonje.
ngifuna ukuthi mawukuthi umntwana uzohlala nobabakhe ubabakhe aphiwe imali but after what you said I
wazi
don't think
ama-chance
so.
wena.
I feel like umntwana by right kumele vele ahlale lo mamakhe.
Othi ngesintu maybe not by right, maybe ngesintu.
Okay ngesintu. Guys, but let's accept umntwana kungathiwa umntwana ustuck somewhere which there's only one parent who can breastfeed the child who can. I don't like equalizing the parental duties, but when it comes to a child support, maintenance, kungathiwa umntwana usehlala lo baba kan. Obviously ubaba kuzadinga usizo from a person who is a
abafazi
female.
ukuthi sebecatsha ngebhele man
Ngani?
ibhele kuphela
Okay, uyamunyisa yini umntwana wena?
Umntwana uzamunyeze ku ezefa
Alright,
khona.
because lapho right asikhulumeni ngomuntu at least ole
Umntwana osekhulile.
Yeah.
5 years.
But
5
still
years.
umntwana vele umela munye whether you like it or not.
Sele 5
That's a
years
fact.
MJ.
Yeah?
umntwana
Kona
sele
omunye
5
uzoba
years.
ngakanani ngathi?
I don't know, but I don't want to go there. I don't. But okay, let's say umntwana ole 5 years. But there's things that men they can do, but not as good as women.
Khuluma
They will
ukumunyisa lapho.
still need to hire what? A maid.
Ukhuluma
And
ukumunyisa
most
lapho.
maids are what? Female.
Abafazi
I'm not
these days.
speaking about a butler or what, but most maids are what? Female. He will need to pay.
Yeah, not
for that
speaking about a
female
butler.
to mind the child. Because I don't are you able to mind a child 24/7?
Yes.
Umgezise
ezihlalele
umfide
ngijama
uyenze
forex yami
ama-school
lapana
run
ingane lapana
engagula umhambise I feel like amanye duties vele they are supposed to I'm not male
Avele the
centered
law, to
what?
be honest, the
Okay,
law is more lenient towards umama.
Yeah.
You do have a point. Yeah, they are more lenient
So
towards
so
umama.
mina I lived with Kayla when her mom was abroad for 3 years.
Okay.
Kuyimi
3 full
like-
years.
Yeah, kuyimi like 2017, 18 and 19.
And that's a girl.
That's a girl.
He's a girl dad.
Yeah.
We have two
And,
girl dads with us.
we used to do-
Clap hands, guys, for these girl dads here.
Boo boo boo
We have two
boo.
girl dads here.
It's not easy. So, but yeah, saying konoko okuchoyo, we lived together 3 years. Obviously we had a helper, but
Who is?
it's
Male or
it's
female?
not female. It's not impossible for a man to take care of a girl child. So, according to everything you were saying, there was never a point in time where she, the maid, the helper, had to do anything you mentioned. I did everything. So, I mean, from my case, I'm saying it's very much possible. I think also a situation I would say, is the man as responsible? Does the man want? Does the man really love the child and all those things? Because as long as I see a situation yokumonya, it's 100% possible for a man to actually take care of a girl child without a woman. Because I mean, obviously, you can cook, you school run, you take the child to. I mean, I used on my way to work, I'd drop her off. I'd leave work lunchtime. I'd go pick her up. I'd ever drop her off endlini, or else auntie mayengekho, we go together emsebenzini. We come back, we cook. I think it's also something that the girl child also realizes, which this is what's happening, and the more they realize, the more they open up, and ama stories which ideally society would think the child should
Major
only tell
mama.
the mom.
The mom, okay.
And that's how you actually have what? A bond with.
Okay.
And I would actually say it's important for a girl child to live with their dad alone for a certain period of time, if possible. Because also ingqondo yakhe iyabe uba independent quicker, and
Okay.
uyavuleka kakhulu, and because also in nature of umdala is not that of yes, we are caring, but not too much. Asimtotozi kakhulu. To the point ukuthi ezinye izinto umama semenzela, umama la besemanga ukuthi kanti, oh, you actually did this, or you can do this on your own, you know. So to answer him, it's 100% possible. Endabeni yokusenda imali ke manje khonapho, I don't know. I think yes, lokho angeke thina size si. But sibili kuthiwa indoda yakwanisa yini ukugcina umntwana oyinkazana 100%. Indoda nxa ifuna, if a man wants, a man will.
Sorry kulibisele emuva 2 seconds. Inkomo yohlanga leya kwasingiyani. Emaloboleni. Xa uthe inkomo yohlanga.
Ezwabuyela kakhulu vele.
So, yakwazi uhlanga kwini?
Ilokhuzeni afterbirth.
What is hlanga, bro?
Uhlanga. Yabona isipeyito. Singangabi lesipeyito kudala kwakusetshenziswa. Fuck. Ukupeyita umntwana. So Iliana is for everything the mother did. Ukugcina umntwana. Basically inkomo engubhane le.
But so wait, I see inkomo kamama.
Yiyo. Wathi ngiyamama uthiwa ngiyohlanga.
Oh, okay.
Ngoba uhlanga lwakho ne live
Elena bayifuna live and direct, my dog.
Kathi nxa upeyita ngohlanga ebupeyitani ingubhane, inkomo engubhane le. Umntwana ngezikhathele ingubhane umasalo
Vele
kuyathatha uhlanga.
ingubhane ndoda, angeke uzobe I saw rush. I saw asthma, ingubhane bro.
Murimo anas.
It is what it is.
Ingubhane ngesikhiwa kwasikwini dog. Botulism. Agency yakwazi kule disease uthi botulism. Yakwazi ngono.
Hayi.
Live.
Hayi, try.
Kule disease uthi botulism.
BOCCU-lism.
Ngoyidinge la.
Ngenkomo. It really
Yabe
does sound
isenzani?
ingani ngenkomo.
Kodwa bibhotsha njani nje?
Isenzani boy? Bosha kwasani.
Kule disease uthi botulism. Now first time ngizwa ngathi this guy is taking me for a boost.
But anyway, into ayikhulumileyo uJane laphanan. I think yes, it's good ukuthi like nxa ukuthi umntwana usamncane umama uyafunakala for all those things.
Umama very important.
Yes.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
But statistically, men make statistically looking at
Literally.
LG man.
Daughter is cooking, come on. Uyagcina ngalendanga.
Lento yokuthi statistically khuluma statistics akho lo muntu
Zwan.
Alright khuluma.
Uzaphinda futhi.
Mana phela. Looking at better-minded individuals, men make better single parents than women.
I am inclined to agree with that. Maybe I'm biased. I'll say I might be biased.
Women make most single parents.
But
Men make better single parents.
Oh, you might have
Also
a point.
because as a man.
Kuthiwa
Okay, cool.
women, most of their decisions are emotional.
There wathi.
Yes.
Most of their decisions.
Manini phela phekeni man.
And the other point is asikhulume iqiniso. Abafazi abalamali. Abafazi
Even
abalamali.
if you are looking at it here, like now we check sibili what that's another issue that makes men better.
Khare majensi mbandwana ku WhatsApp group ye podcast uthe 80%, uthe statistically ngazathi what is the source?
Ndoda.
Uthe statistically 80% of
Of married men are gay. Ngibonile la. Uthe 80%. Enye yathi hayi goli nothi
That he
lapha.
knows.
Statistically.
Because mawusithi somele ulethe ingwanda phela i-proof. Isource lakho wava.
Ngochomi bakhe.
80%.
Manje sithi
And I'm
yani.
side-eyeing every married
8 out of
person.
10.
Hayi 8 out of
In
10
this
vele
world.
Ngoba
kube
bethu
kutricky.
bele likhuluma ngabo khona.
Kebe kutricky. I-80% mina I think iningi kakhulu.
Yazi
80% madoda kuma-statistics. Kuma-statistics 80% guys iningi.
I 80 too much.
It's too much, huh?
Statistically speaking.
Anyway, Bryce.
Statistically 80 is impossible.
Bryce, uthe wena men make better what?
Single parents. Women make
I don't
more single parents, but men make better single
I don't
parents.
think that is true.
Statistically.
Can I state my reasons?
I'll
Both.
state.
Ukhuluma manje. Both. Because one, most of the times when parents break up, it's easier for single fathers have a higher chance of getting into a good relationship or getting married compared to single mothers.
So they make better
That's my
single parents.
first. No, I'm
Continue.
trying to explain.
You're agreeing with us. Continue.
Their minds are in a better place.
Sounds like
Their
it makes them
minds,
better.
I'm
Continue.
justifying. I'm
Continue.
giving reasons. So their minds are
Better.
in a better
There we go.
space. Two, they don't have things to deal with. There's postpartum depression. The changing. Konokia. Tan,
Ute
postpartum.
bedroom when.
Postpartum. Ah, nsangatsho njalo.
Ute post
One year.
bedroom depression.
Okay, mana
Yakuphume spare unyikinye ikhanda.
mana ngithi PPD, yeah?
Yes.
And then abanye they deal with body dysphoria. Abafazi.
Ingenaphi ingane lapho?
Man,
Ingenaphi ingane kuma stretch
angaqedi.
marks?
Those things affect how a person is, especially umuntu yabumkhombise right kabele engakaza. Amithi engakaza abe
MJ, uyazi erectile
I'm
dysfunction
giving
wena.
you a perspective yomfazi but you're
Uyayazi
gay.
erectile dysfunction. Lathi silawa ama problems.
But that's not caused by having kids. Kabelo.
It
I'm
is.
trying to
Ipipi
let
abisisebenzisa
you
isidingo.
know ukuthi umfazi ukuthwala umntwana 9 months abelethe. Amunyise kuyachinja everything about that person, not only physically but also mentally. So
And
also
statistically.
it changes the way
Okay.
a person behaves. And then also, she's trying, no, angithi she has broken up with the other parent. She's trying not to get pregnant with whoever she is now with. Birth control, whatever it is, it affects your weight, your mental health.
Into ikhuluma le.
Your,
Jane.
I'm trying to explain why I'm agreeing with you.
Okay.
You cannot expect her to have the same mentality or akwanise ukugcina umntwana the same way as a man who wasn't affected at all. All he had to do was come inside.
Dysfunction, Jane.
From having a kid.
Erectile.
Umuntu angamitha, it affects how your penis works.
Wena yakuba bonke amakhala angakanani
No,
after
answer me.
ngiyakutshela.
After your lady gives birth, it affects how your penis works.
Yeah, because like kwesinye
How?
isikhathi you might not be as attracted to her as you used to be.
So who is it affecting? Her, not
And
you.
me too. Ubaba kasa.
Imagine.
But it's not affecting you personally. It's something that you are seeing. Kuye, but when personally,
Ibi-
that
ngiyayibona
baby didn't
ingafecti.
pop out of your penis. That's what I'm trying to explain.
Wena konke yane ngicabangayo.
That's why women
Kuhle kuvele
and
kungiphumbe
men,
bese,
we cannot put them in the same level when it comes to parenting. That's why sometimes uyabuzibuza ukuthi kanti wayo teacher banje, especially abafazi,
Vele
balama
laba.
attitude banje. Sibancane sasingazwisisi. But then now that you're older, I feel like, especially if you're a girl dad, you're supposed to understand that because
Mina I think
those
into
things change
ikhulumayo
women.
into ikhulumayo kuba iqiniso kubo stepmother ba blind.
Stepmother, but blind.
Ababebuye bengamzala
Bengekho blind
Bengena
because
bengena
there's
postpartum.
that myth
Ba
yokuthi
worse.
baby daddies and baby mamas will always fuck. Or lapha manzake adlula khona, if they are sharing a child who has
So
both their
stepmother ba
genes,
worse phela.
they will get back together. Look at it has nothing with them
Ikho phela, but-
giving birth.
Bengena postpartum. So then what's that about?
I just told you what it's
Uthini?
about.
Uthini?
Jealousy yokuthi the OG parents
Uhlibambe
might
khona
get
apha.
back together.
Ini.
Jealousy.
Uhlibambe
It's got
khona apha.
nothing to do with giving
Uhlibambe.
birth.
So inkinga yakhe phela njengomama. That's why she's not a better.
She's a stepmother. She's not obliged to be a good parent to a child that is not hers originally.
No.
No, I'm explaining in the sense that they said single fathers are better than single moms. She didn't give birth to that baby. No, I don't think you're listening to me. She didn't give birth to that baby. So you can't judge her parenting skills over another child that is not
But
even
let me
hers.
ngubaba. Uthe I didn't give birth. Uthe I didn't give birth.
But you can't put her in the same category as you because she is not the child's father nor the mother. So it's different. This is between the biological parents of the child. I'm speaking from a female's perspective.
ilogic yabo mami yangireacha kwasi yazi uqeda ukundribla ndoda
Ngiyakwazi, but ukuthi ungizwile ngiyakwazi ukuthi ungizwile. So we can't compare a situation I'm a biological parent and the stepfather. When you are the father, yisende lakho. Why are you involving the stepfather ukuthi imele abehave njani? Yena mayivele lenhliziyo embi ngeke asazamthanda umntana nomunye umuntu. Maye lenhliziyo enhle sengakwenza, but mawukuthi kazake azale akula ma issues ukuthi wena you now have erectile dysfunction, you're no longer attracted to her because she gave birth, the boobs are sagging. She has moods because now she's taking certain medication, or you cannot fuck her for a certain amount of time. Do you understand where I'm coming from?
so lokho lami ngeke affect
Yeah?
so kutsho phela ukuthi ke affect lami ezobaba
Wena.
Yeah.
Stepmother lawa alifanani. Wena ngumntana wakho lwa. That's your child. Stepmother aso wa.
Kase ngumntana kanje ukuthi stepmother kutsho ngathi kuthi 3 step
Umthole khona. Umthole khona, she's as good as a caregiver.
ngithole khona phela
Teacher
ngizwe ngamsebenzini
wecreche.
othi all right
Umntwana
anyway all right sharp
Did you get what I meant
I
though?
didn't. I really didn't. I feel like we just went in a circle, bro, and I'm now more confused than before we started talking
What
about
exactly
this.
is confusing you?
All of it.
Na first
No,
is
I-
key.
Ayisafuni ukuzwa.
Awusafuni ukuzwa vele.
Ayisafuni
Utshela
lutho.
abantu mama bayishiti ngoba bazele. Ngathi ora nxa uyishiti ngoba uzele.
I didn't say
ongazalanga
by
ke.
shit. I was defending
Khathali
why
ngizwa
they
ngo-MJ sino mama bayimdidi la. Yazale.
No. I didn't say that, but I was saying the reason why most of the times ubaba uyabe a better parent is because the things that half of the shit that the mother goes through, the father doesn't go through them. And then you brought in
and then,
step
yes, because lalela iphonto
mothers.
uthe mana vele lalela uthe the reason why mothers are like dads are like that is because they didn't go through that whole the prepartum, partum, and postpartum. And then nangati, if that's the case, stepmother vele ungaphathamanga nix. Kumele thutshe la ibe amazing parent. But
She can't because she's jealous of what you had
And
with,
then
with the OG parent. I'm not making sense. Maybe it's because I'm the only girl speaking and that it's a room full of men. It doesn't make sense. but-
Mina just think ukuthi when it comes to into ezifana nabo
One.
stepmother, stepdad,
Karma,
lokhana
Step, vele, I don't think it's relevant. in
yeah
that
lokhana
case.
futhi ukuthi lapho kwake kwadlula khona amanzi blah 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 or they're blessed to fucking jealous and stuff. Those I think those are just sokusiya experience or maybe because I really don't think we can use such things endabeni ezabe Karofana.
Eh wanti sibona ubani lapha. Uyabona ulobani ngemva kwamalayithi lapha.
Unamana wena. Uvela ngabona mana.
Wena moto mujinji.
Vele pundu. Ndoda vele usaplasha. Vele ndawo lot bengisithini ndoda. Kwazi ngizwa le mani ayisahlalise
Njengoba
kanje.
sithi mama vele ukuthi abala mali so abathuli.
Antizwa.
Yebo point esizogcinile lapha.
Well,
Antizwa.
Vele abala mali.
So but indaba le nxa sokuthiwa stepmother stepfather lokhana okunye lokhana I think bengamelanga like at this point MJ what she's trying to say I think what she's trying to say is uyavumelana ukuthi amajita blind because amajita don't go through A B C and D. I think that's what you're saying, correct?
yes, that's what I
Then
was.
ikopele ngutsho then wena la usukhuluma uthini but konke okunye okwenzakala A B C D mina after that ngiyangafactor but still ngiblind then iko lapho usungenze khona ini abo stepmother lie
Sendele
in as
dropa
much as
MJ. You ever sat on top of your own balls?
I don't.
Ugule.
right man ngawuzo right indaba lesendela lani yezo ngawuzo i-question A1 question le ngeke ngayicabanga earlier on because kulenye imembe engiyibona lapho ukuthi le lina like let's say kulomuntu nje just uyabuya what is it that can tell you ukuthi umuntu lo ukhule rich?
You got that
Awukazi-
question from Mama Sandy?
Hayi dog ngizama ukuthi simuveni previously kuthiwa waste 30 minutes khuluma ngekaka karesi sesiwaste 30 minutes khuluma ngesend
Anguzwisisanga. But what gives you impression
yokuthi
yokuthi
umuntu ukhule rich
kungasonto njengempahla le kwathi
No. Apha impahla you already know phela ngoba sengiswenkares maybe ngikhulengela lutho.
Yeah, that's true.
Umuntu ukhulume laye kuyini okuyenza umuntu ukuthi lo ukhule iswi.
Mina ngibona ngama-choices abo abantu. Kwesinye isikhathi umuntu yabo umuzi ukuthi nganothi. Asenze njani manje sami sekudla isithwala lapho lesithwala sedola ethi. Engathi wangathi lesola lana. Izo isithwala sedola. Into
Njalo lapha su realize.
Rezokhawula yimi la. Ama-choices abantu bro like umuntu yabo umuzi ukuthi ngani ngalisithi wathwatha omtshela ukuthi chekisa usabhizi abagada umchofu ubuye. Ethi hayi anilandani manje. Maybe hayi.
Remember, there's a difference.
Maybe that's a bad example.
But remember, there's a difference between people that make a lot of money and people that are rich. Because there's a saying, rich people stay rich by acting poor, and poor people stay poor because they act rich.
Yeah, but lapha sikhuluma ukhula kwakho. Asikhuluma ukuthi unasonja nathesi.
Yikho phela. Antwana uthe umuntu umbona njani elapha?
Ukuthi abazali ba
Exactly. Like when it comes to rich people, bro. Like izikhathi eziningi you realize ukuthi abagqoki ma labels eswazi and they keep it simple as possible and you can't even tell. When yabo sithi isimple yakhe yabo sithi hayi lami ngikhona.
Ngiyakuzwa uyakhuluma but khumbule rich phela abazali not yena.
Yikho phela antwana uthe umuntu nxa elaphana
wena Bryce nxa uthi lapha sesixoxa lesani. How do I tell ukuthi you're from a rich family?
Ubukhuluma from a visual perspective or from a conversation?
Interaction. Phela nithe visual because visual yajampisa vele.
Okay.
Maybe ngikhule ngila lutho sengile something guys.
Amajita akhule rich futhi ngokupanguka awagqoki kuhle amanye ngakhona.
Yizinto engizibuza zona lezo ukuthi ubona njani ukuthi umuntu
lembatata.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the presence of a master. Akukhulume lapho bafoza. Bekuzwe lapho bafoza.
Hayi bemfuna ukuthi wona uthi akadli ithakini. Isibuni sesinko. I think sake sakhuluma ngakho lo.
Abantu labana jeki. Abantu labana badla ama sandwich bechi edge.
Akuthi phela mina ngikhule ngiswi.
Wena vele siyakwazi.
Hayi
Lo siyamazi ukukhule rich.
I think sake sakhuluma ngakho.
Onishe wayegqoka ivest ngaphansi kweziweke. Liyakwazi manje uba le vest. Uba le vest eyi-white ngaphansi kwe-uniform yesikolo kunakakwazi. Angibona kunishe. Antu abakasitho mlo ba-rich ngibo. Ubuye lama vest.
Mina lama conflicts ngadle emzini yazi. Ayisikwani.
Hayi Prince.
I think inko futhi engambona khona hayi. Umuntu lo ngibo ngani bayiswi.
Mina phela ngasesibadala. Okunganama telltale signs lapha esithile. Islang sesibhc lesiya.
Abogwani.
Lo muntu ongani uphonga ugqoka ngani uphonga ugqokela ukuthi izimpahla athi ziphezulu kweshelf lesi. Thina phela sebezama ukucompensate. Le shorty le ya.
Uthi ama not star.
Uthi becha ishorty le lishorty. Yazi ishorty le lena ukuthi elokuthi ungafaka i5 esikhwameni yaqandisisa.
Yenza ibutala.
Yazi ishorty le. Ngaba North Star. Stuff esinjalo. Le world view basically. I think
Mfuna ukuthi isikhiwa sesibhizi lesiyana sesingakudiverta ngoba lama teacher laba ayikwanisa ukuhambisa abantu khona ngayo.
Yeah, it's true. Every
plus also lapana sometimes lapana ndinga blind ngama sports lani. So lapana
uthi scholarship.
Le yakho le
Sendele air condition.
as a private school go
only fancy for
as a private school go fana as chain zokumanya
Ndabalanda lokuthi yena bangena be however.
All right.
Le pick up lane ekhanya they blind kudala.
Bona le yaneka thuthi lani even ona le. Lana yabonta le member lekhule le malini le. Ngathi yet rock. Okay, how about amakhombo? Iliphi combo wena legawulo nje uthi ubukhuluma ngesitshwala esedola iliphi combo eli blind legawulo wena abantu abangakujaja ngalo but liyaslepa.
ngathi wadlisa amanyala.
Amnalinuthu. Yazi omunye umuntu.
Yazi uyidinga ngena etown nambe njani Jake. Ngabe ngitshele ngisho Jake vela banilambela isitshwala abafuna abantu abanesitshwala esingasisuyani esi-affordable. Mina ngikwazi esami esiseduze khona lapha eseDollar50. Wathi kulesinye manje ngale seDollar manje nesana si wrong umdala. Bra, ngihamba sithenga isitshwala lesiyana ngabe uyandithabeni sinimfuzo sidlela phambi kwakhe. Bra, wawuyehlukanisa amanzi amafutha letamatisi.
Mafuna uthola isithwala esishapa.
NgeseDollar bro.
Njengaduza bokuba makanika khona mfana.
Amakanza bakubulala.
Kanza bakubulala
Yeah, for sure.
Ngikubona bomakanika khona udinga ukuthi badlanga. Yikuthela khona isitafu sabo. Nomnye umuntu engangambona nje ukuthi wayekhulele emalini. Saye sathi siseJozi sihamba out for breakfast. Abantu level ebhabhingo lapha sathi si-order umntwana odimuzi. Ngambuza ngathi
Nje imuzi ngeya-odwa.
Ndoda. Odimuzi. Thina obviously sijama bacon nama rashers. Nokuyana ngama sausage kwabo ama pork rashers.
But when it comes to igawulo, umuntu ohambe seyakudla kubosisibhila esiyadinga indawo ezile traditional serious. La ngale kubo Second Avenue and Robert Mkabe ngale.
Second Robert kulani?
No Tongo Gara actually.
Second Tongo Gara.
No Pararinyata sorry.
Second Pararinyata. Ndawo yamapapa lapha. Sijele.
Kusejele. Emagumtreeni.
Khona pha.
Kule papa eniputela inzima.
Mfana ilokuzeni. I-traditional wrong umntana.
Hayi bottle kasizibhile $5 yana manje $5 ethenga impuphu.
Bro vele isitshwala esichipile esabe sikubo $7 khona. Udliwa imvundla.
Amapangolini.
Ukhali.
Udakuthu umfrayela umvundla last week. Ngiyalitshela umfana likharadi ngesibongo la.
Yeah.
Ungenzeni ngomvundla? Wamfunela ukuthi ungapi babazana namhla sichaya uthuro.
What?
Athi ngene emoteni ngilanda uthuro.
Tutsuro.
Uthuro wangibhengela the way.
But enye into etshengisela ukuthi umuntu lo ukhule rich or lo ukhule njani. I think even when it comes to ukutshontsha izinto ezitshontshwayo ziyahlukana. Uzokuthiwa umuntu utshontshe 50 hectares of land.
Hey.
Okay, please ukuthiwa utshontsha inyama ko Pick n Pay.
Stealing for survival.
Bamthela ngempuphu.
What's up, my man? Welcome back, my man.
Thank you very much, bro.
Let's go, Mama. Say,
No.
We have moved up anatomically.
Into funny la bengichecka something la.
Ubucheka amasende.
Amasendi.
Caravan.
Like umuntu ade kade ngihamba la. Ebele ngi-appointment yabo. Besichecka ama prizes. Bengakwazi ukuthi Jane kari waxing kulamabizo. Kulabo thayi
Laze lazibhataleli inzinzi.
Ndoda kuthiwa $55. Bembone $55 lani overall la.
What?
Ukuthi bakusubula kwasani? Basubula konke lezi department.
What?
$55. Ndoda into engikwanisa kuyenza ngeshaving lokuze nini? Of course sengazihluzula
mfana. Ufuna ireza kuphela into idingayo.
Oh even yithwa into. Ithwa iVit.
Ini? iVit.
iVit.
Lokuyana ukuthi yakunamathisela ukuthi
but iVit aso brand kathi yenza even i-hair remove.
But you say hey. So lokho kwenu lokho hayi akunyethusi lokho kade.
Mina I think umuntu othandana la nxa esiyachaya $55 dombi will keep in zibri. You guys need to have a sit down. Ukuthi baby but into le natural le. Imali ngispend. Utheni? Uthe sezinengi. Uthe kanjani?
Ebenze uthi ngaqubuki.
So yi point
ikhuphula.
Yebo.
Ngingawazi. So angama discovery.
So waxing ayiqubuli.
So masena lisothi vele.
Oniyasotha?
Into lezi sayikhuluma ku podcast la ngathakwa ngumgcini lo Ralph. Ngaze ngathi he who cleans his house expects neighbors. Anqedanga expects neighbors to come visit.
kunzima. Jali uyawaksa wena? Uyawaksa wena?
Ah no.
Okay.
But bese ngibuza ukuthi la tuna yini lena.
Gcina wena ungawaksa bakuchaja 110 wena. Sera ke lambone egqoka ishoti umfana lo.
I used to be saver.
Puyile.
Sebe siyashaka 3 layers.
Majesu mina kwazinto ezithiwe ngangizifuna ngingumntwana. Ngathola 1. Mina it's weird mina ngifuna uba legiro. For some reason I was
Igiro.
Mina I think maybe into ngangizibona ku TV for some reason I felt like
igiro li sexy toka.
Igiro tshela ngilifuna.
Wesigiro lakho ngeletemu lela lilabhonga. Amagiro abuya lebhonga. Amagiro abuya lebhonga.
Ay dude.
Fana that is biologically inaccurate.
What the fuck?
Igiro ngelesweki.
Ngelani?
Mina cheki igiro lami lathi libuya ndoda. Ngase ngizela ngize ngipashisa intamo. Udukanye. The second thing engangiyifuna engayiswela rikhwanqa. Hayi khwanqa ngani njamba labo ngonisikiza but I always wanted to be a hairy guy. Ole Giro. But I feel like I feel like it was maybe the men I was watching on TV. It's like you're watching a movie laying and it Giro le khwanga.
Awufuma ngireport.
Mina vele thenga ngifuna uba vele nganguluka ngangufuna zonqama.
Moving on from Amagiro.
Ayona kamera ngeke.
Yakuthi iphatho. Hayi Giro njengalo le proud of yona le.
Until kwazi presidential amnesty bayithunile. Limbonile uchera kade trender okade sejele. Bezibuza ukuthi wangena ngapha uhambe lobani mbani ofike wamthatha.
Mana kade sejele umbade sephumile.
No kade sejele phela waphuma.
Okay.
Ngi amnesty phela.
Ube njani?
Beyisuyijeke begezekile nje bengaphithwanga ijele.
Mana ngikutshela ukuthi
uthi omunye uthi uthethwe mbani uhambe endlini kabani.
Ijele
omunye uthi nyelobola kugajele.
Ijele these days mbonani selichiphile. These days ejele ngoba iproblem ukuthi iningi lethu siyangwava la. Kulama deluxe lana phela uyaqala ulama deluxe ayiswi. For example, something sasila kathanga ngasikhuluma indaba ku scammer. Sasilomongi umongi sikulomuntu wangiscam iwardrobe lani. Wathi kulomuntu oda kuyiwardrobe.
Hayi ime ngawothi nawuthi wardrobe nawuthi umbhede yes ngumongi.
Wathi wardrobe wena. Wathi bed tithekanye.
Kitchen in it.
Furniture phela mongi. But ifurniture ka movie yonke vela le. So njani? Ngasase sithi lalela sesithi kumongi. Akona abamajida beqale engasoma scammer from the jump. Kebe ngumuntu othi oqala run legitimate business, into zawoma, wathatha imali labo nyakhava la, thatha imali labo. And before you know it dog, sudingwe isithila sothi awuscam abantu. Osisi labo bathanda ungenisa izinto zeshini, ishini beshini. Hayi ngizokuthiwa yishi in.
Yeah, twa ishi in.
Ishi in. Ishi in.
Fale Galaxy boy.
Galaxy boy.
Girl and boy.
Girl and boy.
Farando visa Galaxy boy.
Girl and boy.
That's what I'm
alphabet nachekile.
Kari uDakutu and K Breeze. I was going to Dakutu X K Breeze. Kulo muntu akasibize Dakutu X K Breeze.
But you know what? I mean, I think getting arrested and sent to prison ngumnyama Jack, because like looking at the situation that we're living in, and I think sonke la kulezinto esizenzayo sikwazi ukuthi hayi into lezi vele zingaphandle komthetho, but we are just not being caught kuphela.
Ndinga wena you bogoros.
Uya ngapha.
John.
Akube lo ref phela akula umuntu ole
ladies and gentlemen.
Substitute dia. Esap.
Songena uma remainder la.
Ayisuwa bakusabhayo ndoda kanti problem inga.
Asisabhule kwezenini.
Afa.
What it do my man?
Tela ngalicina. Afa bro. You good bro?
Easy as ever she.
yakhudumala lapha. Ukuhlezi indoda.
Theka. Akasezwa phela sibhizi kahle.
Hayi bengasezi. Afa.
Hey, what do you do?
Sharp bros, give us khuluma
Uvela
ngani?
ngakati.
Eh?
Uvela
Ani utsho ukuthi bemelelile kuze nini?
I-wax.
Siqedi appointment. Then bese sibuya
Skanka.
Angisakwazi besikhuluma ngani.
Besikhuluma i-presidential amnesty.
Oh, ngikhohle ukunika i-update. I'll just quick one maybe once we get episode le. Kuthiwe is it podcast part of his social corporate responsibility to this year. Kumele senze project yoku investigate ama anomalies especially in African traditional culture. So esikukhethileyo ukuthi sifuna ukutest ukuthi isidliso is it an actual thing. So kulo muntu esamthatha le cherry even ingaso yakhe whatever. Wena i-cherry yani bisikudlisa?
Ukudlisana.
Isidliso.
Isidliso mina ngicabuzisa.
Mana. Khuluma yakho saqeda vela awuna mbuzo sasinika wona.
Alright, sharp.
And then uzachaya isidliso lesiyabe sesikumonitor behavior yakho for a few weeks. La uzibona usekuhlanyiswa yini. And then besihamba sewukhiphisa. So amajida akhethe wena.
Ukuthi mina ngibe yilo
i-guinea pig.
Case study.
Oyesi futhi ulisabatha. Sabatha dliseka lula.
So senza njalo. Moving on, let's address later.
All right.
Moving on, bese sikhuluma ngani dog?
Ngelokhuzeni ngokuthi easy these days ukungena
edanyana.
But bengisathi ukuthi uhambe ejele ngumnyama though. Considering ukuthi I think 90% of abantu eZimbabwe lapha bake baba ngosiphatheleni which is illegal. So ngizwa kuthiwa ubotshelwe khona okuhamba ejele ngumnyama nje.
Vele kuningi esikwenza against the law.
Khona. Kanti vele wayithule.
Wena Rico.
Unje. Ucabangani ke?
Is playing a Ralph.
Ungavaccinate i-botulism ndoda.
Ngibonile ikhona into ekhona i-botulism. Although bemphambanisa spelling ngisearch lapha.
Uyiguqile yibona.
Khona. Ikhona.
K-Breeze might tell you a funny story but they'll never tell you a lie.
But ngiyathaba ukulibona. Ngiyathaba ukuba lapha.
Mana ubusithini? Ukhuluma into zokuyejele lezi. Mana ngutshela abantu ukuthiwa kumele behlale besiyejele. Ubona khona ukuthi maybe usule point yokuthi ukuyejele onye ngomnyama. Abantu laba lezihlobo ese-UK ezabezithumeza imali sithi wenze something wena ungayenzi. Ijele leya.
Umuntu athi yakindlu
nje abantu abamelanga bayejele nje kumele baye straight for execution nje.
Abantu abanjalo bagcwele.
Bra,
sufile well remedy.
Yes. Check. Ngicini imagine indlu iyimalini. Mina ngikuthumezela imali ekwana indlu ngithi hayi mina ngiyaphenduka lapha ngizohlala mserendeni.
But la uyakwazi ukuthi wanjiya ngala mali wenike imali endlu ukuthi ngikwazi.
Ndoda abantu laba bayaphiwa imali
usenzine eseyidli ukuthi nginjani.
So ngikhohle vela ungazi.
Yathi in most cases nje abantu laba bathunyezela imali zonezo kuthiwa nase yakho le yenza so.
Ngibe sembondi lapha iproject lami liyaphela masinyani la ngahlanganisele yakho imali.
And abantu laba bayenzi iproject uzothiwa wayakhe indlu hayi yabe wayidla hamba igide khonapha la ingcenye yabuyidlile ekhothweni uzothiwa ufuna imgcina outobek bekuthenge ngemali endlu.
Abantu be lifestyle abantu amele bejele laba abathunyezela imali ze-UK laba. So maybe with that in mind ikuthola konke yabubela omnyama laba.
Yeah, but first preference abantu akade bekhitshwa lapha na yet ukuthi ngaba ama petty crimes izinto ezincane labana abakulevel yabo mumba labana bebesala laba. Nalabana engceke kade sele laba amamanzi amaluchana.
Abe rape baphumile.
Hayi abebekhangela ukuthi i-crime I think okunye besoze befike behlupha phandle.
Utheni?
Hayi.
As a request.
Yabo labana kade sele lama manzi amaluchana okunye I think babenzele lokhu ze. You remember ukuthi like there's been a history ukuthi ngaba le presidential amnesty that very weak crime rate increase.
Akwenzakalanga this time.
No, this time akwenzakalanga that much. Oh, asikazuza ama reports from my side, angazuza ama reports. But bebekhangela abantu laba akababenze ama crimes zona la engxenye maybe engxenye wayenza fraud or petty crime line.
Senthola inhlambe nje. Like ukuthi singathi sisamwe sithenga ama chips lapha sesimele ufama vinegar umuntu efike singene ngithi hatshabo ikuhlanganisa nabantu beamnesty la wenzani umuntu weamnesty wena
hayi isimo kwabanye abaseke wayiziya.
That's true.
Ayibona ngeyinye ize ya comment yafaka I video kulokhu zeni ku post yona le presidential amnesty I video yangikhona babeyibuza enye ichomo ukuthi wena utshontsheni wathi ntshontshe i-Brypack wathi ibilani wathi ibilamaphisi angu-9 wathi hayi siyakugweba 9 years so yabihleki imemba nabo bathi uhleka wanathi adle ungubani utshontshe i-rice mana ngutshengise
Jane abathanda irayisi.
nansi izocheka
ividiyo azobhara phela ubhara nguyofana
Konzima.
Tangudla mina inhlanhla.
Awuza edit senkingeni. Price kadlali njalo ngama reels.
Akulala.
ngiyafuna libone bangani bami
Price nje kethu sahleke i1 lana othethe isikhathi. Ukuthi uyivula uthi hey mana ngiyemvuli.
Ngonke umuntu uyafakaza
lapha.
Price uyaspraya.
Ngama reels. Khona kuyanda uyivulile vele. Susenkingeni vele. Yabo senkingeni.
Lento lemfunga ulibuza yona majensi. Libonile ikhekhe le Kings and Queens.
Abantu bayadelela labana nto. Ngitshela ukuthi isidumbu.
Libonile ikhekhe le Kings and Queens.
Ngiyele coffin.
Funeral what.
Bebe celebrate how many years what if? Angazi bebe celebrate. Ikhekhe la bebe shape nje coffin.
Hello can I see kona? Hello can I see kona?
Abantu be Kings, I will say this, angasi picture uwoma edithu zayifaka. Abantu be Kings and Queens bebe le celebration. I-celebration yabo ikhekhe labo belishape njenge-coffin, which kind of blows my mind ngoba it's not like i-Triple C mayisenza i-celebration ikhekhe labo lishape njenge-false hope. Kabe kuni-box alebe box engela lutho ufuna uthi
siwazi okebe kuri ibhuku elingabhalwanga lutho. But ongenza ngicabanga ukuthi ama companies aproduce ama condom bona ba celebrate
ikhekhe seli condom
benza njani
basenzela ikhekhe le latex
Baromele usha.
No. Ikhekhe.
Kwamele benze icondom la khona futhi ingabi lena lese boxini. Kuyilile yana. Ngiyabona ngasuthi ibophile afterwards lapha.
Mana
Kimi bengale.
abayitopanga
Abangathi cream bedleleka.
Uyele. Scuba one side.
Scuba one side. Icreamy bengale.
Uziba.
Singazi lapha ne-Kings and Queens bazazi explain. Lena umuntu othola i-order yakho nokuthi uthe.
Para kushapa
imva behamba njani?
I think ongeke kuyi marketing.
Yani.
Nangu sesikhuluma ngawo. Sesikhulume ngawo bakalesi.
It's true Kings and Queens yona sasikhulume ngayo. Lento engifuna ibuza.
But sesikhulume ngayo kalesi yabo ngenxa ikhekhe le coffin.
Bemfuba ubuza ama-gents ukuthi leke ukucabanga ukuthi vele my first question was leke libe into into kade siyibuzwa ngobule endlini ukuthi wathi use primary lapha wasincenga ule day uhambe khona le lesikaftini esiyiswi lapha
asifiki break
endleleni nje
asifiki break
yathatha indwangu nje.
Can I remember bro?
Nabembuzela ukuthi lama tactic kanjani okudlela eclassini.
Awuvula sibili iskaftini ubushambi jana mbijana.
Like u5 ngotafula?
Eskaftini yabuvula lomi. Into le ngicabanga ngisidlile ukuze nini. This other day ngizidla toast. Fuck, toast. Ene poloni yabo. Ngicabanga ukuthi jeki imile yake yaba libhenga eprimary.
Alasinami.
Ngicabanga la futhi othanda ipoloni. Pari million lana dog kangisha vele ekseni.
Mina ngisepringo ndoda ngangiyilane wisipheni ngaphansi kwedesk.
Ubuchayi.
Anje nyathi guys sikhwameni lapha uthwamfe so. Na vele umasalo wayengikhawade nganisothela i-French toast. I-French toast imfana engani heroin to me
indaba zokudlela emsebenzini zonezo omunye uhambe 15 years ngokudlela emsebenzini.
Ebesidlana.
Uprice abantu Chinese egwe fucked up.
Nje usengini
uprice Chinese egwe fucked up.
Old mutual manager gets 15 years for raping UZ students. 2 rounds of lula in the office and car ends in tears.
What's the full story there?
That's the full story.
No. Like le headline. Like kwahamba njani. Ukhona obalileyo ukuthi
Nambalile kuthiwa uTom lo wabiza unkazana lwane eofisini wathi ezomncedisa ngepaperwork.
Wamphepha.
That was the
Then-
first time.
About 2 years later, wabe esithi behlangana ema-shops to discuss career options. Wamdlwengula. Then the second time, first time kuthiwa wamniki i-t-shirt e-Old Mutual. Then
Namapen.
le pen.
Le pen, le notebook.
Le staple.
le stapler.
Something.
Never nguye.
Eqeda kumdlwengula.
Fuck.
And then the second time. So, from 41 is a, he was, I don't know, but she was of age, I guess, but the consent was the issue.
No.
Into zenza ukubhebhana emsebenzini zona lezi. Nhlanga ngitshele, yabona thina la, we have a very professional outfit here.
Asipepani.
We don't bab each other. No.
Khangelanana emehlweni ngilibone lonke la. Chibikani. Bryce khangelanana nini? Sibona ukhona lapho.
Ngabona zikhangelena zingani ziya blush. Sehle sikwazi. Hayi Luke ezibone ngani.
Yekani. Very.
I feel like osisi abaningi go through that kakhulu yabo. Especially kuma corporate spaces la.
It's true.
Ama promotion law.
But now, hey, ukuthi indaba yakho ni tricky. Ukuthi mina uyakhuluma usongana siba insensitive. In a scenario where that happens and then the girl then goes on to get very big favors. Like career-wise. Indaba yakho niyambe reporter is because on the other hand we do have indaba ze abantu abuse ama positions of power to take advantage of. Then we also do have a very rampant sex for favors culture.
No, I think look good different, bro. In this case, and I want to leave a case you good drawing. Ube ngafuni. Yabo. Then wasenjani wasambese report. But also futhi hey,
hayi konke tricky there.
Amna senzolu Rico la ngendlela ethule ngayo secabanga.
How require.
Mpelo makaka machance.
It's fine.
Subareka.
That's fine. So obuphisi isikhathi sonke lesi.
But yakwazi okunye kwini abanye bathi why ngareportanga the first time. I think sometimes into lana ile delayed
Well, once it happens the second time, it reopened the wound anyway.
Okay, when the second time happened, what hlala isikhathi esinganani before lo course?
No lokho kule ndawo bro.
No. Anzange ngithakula ndaba. I wanted to prove a certain point because into khona uzananzelela ukuthi unkazana wona sesehle kuba lelo khuzeni. Sesehle kuba le emotional attachment with other men whenever engahlangana engcele umgcini secabanga ukuthi uKBreeze wangenzani. Yabo into lana im affect so much but umgcini ngumjito oyiswi umgcini seze wanshiya mana ngizame ku Steve uSteve la nxa isithi mana njani ngithuna into zothando lo Cherry la acabange futhi uKBreeze ethi hayi uKBreeze yahlanya uhlezi mina ngehlike ukuqhubeka ngempilo yami ukuthi sometimes kuba le delayed trauma
nakudala ngama date umuntu onjalo ndoda aka fucked up lokho
Habu sinking enkulu parano libe careful wesisi lapha emsebenzini yabo la futhi mawungumjito usebenze endaweni abaqhatsha kahle amama amajita wazi ukukhuluma ngani
yo podcast unambona ngani machenzi
asiqhashi mankazana amahle
akala ndaba siveni on nambona ni issue yakho ni tricky of course ayikho tricky le straightforward
labo bubi.
But do you know kunye into engani yenza into le ibe authentic kube le settlement of some sort eyenze ukuthi umjidana azuze 15 years then ba compensate uChere since uba le story sonke
abamcompensate that
okay
justice is konke utsho muhambile
okay right nxa kube njalo then it makes it easier ukuthi si justify ukuthi uChere into ayenzileyo isharp because in most cases uChere nxa ezahambisa indaba le ecourt seeking compensation anjo yikho abantu abacina besithi hayi vele ngilokhuzeni but nxa ukuthi she didn't want anything financially she just wanted ukuthi yeah
Look at how tricky because to my victim also it's like I was wronged. I feel like I should be compensated for this.
Yeah.
Him going to prison alone does not settle my. I feel like
But andiyabona mina enye into futhi nje engeke ukuthi cabanga ama cases anjalo ayenzakalayo umfazi wagcina ethula maybe because ispani like usitholile yabo like uthola ispani wathola a better job but abafazi vele bathole nzima emsebenzini le
Ikonsider vele kunzima because bakhona abanye who inkonde there is a rampant sex for favors culture. You understand? So once you put that into play, I'm not very it doesn't justify ukuthi le I'm speaking outside of this case because lebe we sex in a consent. So I get that. But vele kule rampant culture ukuthi kulabo mama ababekwazi endaweni zomsebenzi. Ungabona uboss esefuna ukuloko zenini umnanke uzathola ama benefits. Umnankisi I mean. Igame yokunankisana le vele kunankisana for I personal gain le.
But as
nokwenza
yeah
nokwenza hayi ngiyabuza
ngaphuma kikho lokuyana akuncedi lokuyana
but my gents yazi into ina le yani ukuthi like it takes a greater emotional toll in women than men.
Bryce has time this kiwa.
No, it does, but that's only because Bryce. That's only because
Bryce has time this kiwa.
Zwana uthi mfuna ukuthini? Zwana ingakaloku. Ukuthi like mina I know of 2 guys that have had an experience and with women ukuthi bathi nxa ufuna ukwenza lokho or ufuna ukuthola lokho kumele ushaye. You know, like 90% of the guys will say, dude, ushaka wani indlule ngihambe ngithole vele ngashaya mina. Yabo. But there is that little 10% engakhulumi ukuthi kwahamba njani.
The reason those stats are like that ukuthi it takes a greater emotional toll ebafazini than amadoda is because vele i-bargaining chip ye-sex isebafazini.
Yeah.
Yithi esiyicelayo. And bona that's why they use it.
Liyayicela.
When uyayiphiwa nje.
Hayi ngiyabuza.
Wena wax on wax off wena.
Wax on.
Wena Mr. Miyagi. Moyagi.
Anyways, continue.
Mina
vele angikho ku podcast la.
Gents, asibeni honest. Libona angaka amankazana asizokuvuma. Mangaka amankazana who have intentionally gone into a sexual situation for financial advantage. Statistically.
So depend on what was
95%.
95% yobaziyo wena. So bosisi elazi Cape Breeze libe kwazi ukuthi liku selingaba liku bracket.
My chance mina ngithi if the tool is there yabona ngawusufunda ukusebenzisa R2 ku FIFA ngawusufunda ukusebenzisa ufinesse abusekelela nomsebenzi ufinesse
ayikuthi
the
imali
game is the game
imali itshintsha lamadoda alikhulumi lokuthi amadoda atshintshele imali
kulotsho umntwana
avuleka
Ufake sitting room kitchen.
amadoda wonke amajita behave njani kwenye indoda lemali wesinto efani kangikhuluma lo of that day nje sithi into efani ngamajita abehave njalo bro it's not like imali yankona balinika
awuyitholi
it's not like bayalinika maybe on a weekly basis with my chance nansi lapha ama 5000 try awuyitholi
kulento efana kade ikhona uRalph esithi is experiencing a culture shock lapha khona esithi yena ukukhulela la ufike kwazi izitabane kuziboys yabo like ubutabane ngani githi la eAfrica vulo age limit kancane you know once you cross over a certain age manje lapha hlala khona kulezitabane like uthola umuntu ole 60 years isitabane
Akwazi Chomlano act to Gandalf lana is married to a guy.
It is true bro why Gandalf why Professor X
Bro.
Kuyatholakala lo
Hayi ngaphi ucini
mina mfunga ulithi hayi actually kwami ku different vele yeah no vele ngihle ngiyivala nge story time so ubuzuqedela ukukhuluma
atsavuzo
that's right that's
okay so andiyacava ma singamajita ama gays wathi wonke umjito gay yabo. I'm sure sonke singamajita la kule point ozibona khona like oziprove khona ha amajita la noma esithi onke amajita gay but mina ngi straight yabo. So mina ngeke ngaba lokwi recent moment lapha angabona khona yeah I'm actually straight, you know. Not ukuthi ngandla doubts but ngaconfirm lapha.
Ansebenzisi muthi mina
Abalokuzayo abamfollowayo kulokuzini ku social media anenze ukuthi ngani ngenza into zokudla yabo like ukudla these days posting food, you know. So eZimbabwe kulento ekuthiwa yi-food handlers certificate yabo. So mina ngizitsho thina food handlers certificate siyafika lapha basithatha ama picture yabo basinika certificate sokuphelile yabo la sokushapa. And bear in mind umuntu engihamba laye like siyasebenza labantu aba part of the community yabo like siyahamba vele yena usharp wona ugrand yonke into sharp. Sisifika lapha Mbone siqhutshela yaboni amanzi emi-COVID la okuchayikhala la sharp bamqhubele na vele chaya phansi yabona ngizitshela ukuthi ayichom vele but mbona ichom lingene etoilet yabo. Sembuza la bana ngithi kathi into le yangami
siswabhani la
bathi imele kungene akini bro. So amashef wonke lobona lapha abantu abantu bonke libobonayo chef waiter abantu abalelo ngiyakutshela bro abantu bonke abadila lokudla i-food handler certificate requires you ukuthi wena uhlomi i-cotton bud lene akini la but test lokuzini kule ndawo ayitestayo kwamba
uthi yakwazi ukupheka
kule sample abayifuna laphana bro I kid you not DJ ngathi ngiqeda ukuzwa khonokho bathi benitest iBP
yayi high
bathi benitest iBP umtshina lwana wacicha nje waqala wayi-rate waqala wayi-rate bro the thought yokuthi mele nhloko yesamphi akini but it is funny ukuthi
batestani bafuna uba le fecal sample ukuthi bengayithole ekudleni
it fine
bethi
izitsho manje vele zikujayela ukuthi ziyakwenza every year into engase ngihle ukuthi so emergency lina liyathula sibuya la but ngavele ngabona omnye esasibuya la yani nthi is part of avele way comfortable vele sithi no sambeni siyo shock of my life
emoteni
yazi uthe sithi kuthiwa wonke ama-gens nxa besithi wonke ama-gens akhe omunye uthi bamtshela bathi
thola ukuthi labo mbagisi bonke abadila lokudla vari abantu abadila lokudla baza confirm into le makuthi ayisikwa makuthi likwenzayo
I was waiting for the day sizaxoxwa khona la uthe
ubonga uvale check
makuyikuthi ayisikho likwenzayo government lapha ezabe yakhona icela izithupha zona lezi
hayi
zangena amanzi
so right
so right bro
so right.
This has been another fantastic episode.
Shout out.
The return of Karim Benzema.
Kunzima but asesikhona sawuthini ngilahla ama-airpods futhi andilibone ngithatha ivideo laphana ngisithi ama-ostrich odwa ngihlanganele endlovu just after kwaba
yakuthathela ama-airpods
I think ngithe ngigiji man awuyile
ubalekela indlovu azimgcinise istory zakhe umfana onamafibhu lo
but obvious angikhulumanga ngitshela ama-workmates ukuthi because babuzile ukuthi ubunga yabo ngathi benze ofisini athi ofisini awabona bengeke ngikhuluma ukuthi ngeke ngabaleka ngayo but yeah, I think alahle ikhopha so yeah.
Thank you very much for joining us for another amazing episode. Like, subscribe, follow. We're coming to you live from a King's Crow. Mwah.